Today I want to show you my new electroglider. I call him Danny because previous owner of this airplane was Daniel, but Daniel is now in RC heaven, and now it's my airplane. Original motor was brushed speed 600 with gear. I remove it and I put inside brushless motor. Inside are some high-tech servos on V-tail, how you can see it's with V-tail, and Jetty telemetry 8 channels. Oh, telemetry. All Jetty receivers are with telemetry. Jetty receiver 8 channels with long antennas and motor. It was a big surprise for me, this motor. This is normal NTM from Hobby King, NTM 3530 with 1400 kV and with propeller Graupner folding prop 11 per 6 inches. With this propeller, it's really nice power unit, and you will see it fly really quick and nice. Battery is inside 3300 milliamps, zippy compact, about 40 C, and next battery 1 ampere hour for external BEC, for external bike. So I think that's all. So now something about radio. So radio is Jetty DC16, new nice Czech radio telemetry system. Of course, Danny is simple 4 channels model, and it's a piece of cake for this radio. I use some basic telemetry. On a start screen I have timer, all time, name of model, relative altitude, because in Danny I have 2 sensors. I have a Vario and I have a current sensor. So here I have a relative altitude, current in this time now is motor on 0 throttle, it means 0 amps. Consumed capacity in battery, and on the next screen I have timer, motor timer, actual Vario value. Of course I can't during flying look on screen and read values from telemetry, but I can because I have voice telemetry in DC16. So here I have 3 flight modes. 2, 3, 2, 1. Flight modes. On these switches I have next speech telemetry messages. On this switch I will show you only for preview one function. You can set in DC16 many telemetry values from all sensors which you have on in airplane, all values, and time delay. It means if I will switch on this switch or different depending on your setup, if I will switch on this switch, radio tell me everything what I want, and if my switch still switch on set time, in my case 30 seconds, it tell me again. It's many values only for show.
283.8 meters, 4.1 meters, 0 milliampere hours. Receiver voltage 5.25 volts. Antenna 1, 8. Antenna 2, 9. Vario. 0.1 meters per second, 983.09 hectopascals, 3.6 degrees Celsius, 12.4 volts, 0 seconds.
Yes, it's too much values, nothing for me. I need only timer, all timer,
Timer, 0 seconds.
and on this switch I have in this time altitude, actual altitude, actual power consumption in milliamps, and actual current. Yes, I don't need nothing more.
4.4 meters, 0 milliampere hours, 0 amps.
And on this switch I have Vario. Because Vario can be very crazy if you climbing a few meters per second. Of course, Vario is in very crazy sounds. It means I can switch off this Vario and I can switch on if I want to use it. Of course, in this weather, is I think it will be only set sound of Vario with loss of altitude. So I think this is all what I want to tell you. Let's go. It's about -4 degrees of Celsius and about, I think, 2 meters wind. So it's very cold, and I hope I will land very soon.
.2 meters, 169 milliampere hours, 41.7 amps. 153.7 meters, 1242 milliampere hours, 0 amps. Time 10 minutes 10 seconds.